Please don't create that product yet. I need you to test if people will pay for it. Yes, you have your perfect idea, you have the problem, you have the solution, you've created your offer. What's the next step? Go and create the product, be it a course, ebook, template. Hold on, don't create that product yet. Yeah, I need you to test if people will pay for it. That is what we call validation. You need to validate that offer before you put in your time, your resources into creating that product. Especially for those people that create digital products, you don't want to go spend weeks or even months creating a course, recording videos, shooting and doing all of those, and at the end of the day, when you eventually launch, cricket sound, nobody is buying. It is so overwhelming, it's so discouraging, right? So before you actually put in that effort, you need to validate your idea. You need to test if people will actually pay for it. So how can you achieve this? That is exactly what I want to teach you all in this video. I want to show you how to test if people will pay for your product, or how to validate your product, your offer, before creating. If you're new here, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Onyi Onwura, and here on this channel I create content around starting and growing a profitable business online. I go in depth with importation, affiliate marketing, and different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. And this right here is a series, a 90 days online income challenge, where I take you from point zero, from the point where you don't know how to make money online, to actually making real money for yourself from the online space. So you're welcome to the channel. Do well to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. No waste of time. Let's just dive straight into the video of today. Step number one to follow in order to validate your idea. Step number one, my people, don't ask this question: do you like my idea? I know you have friends in your WhatsApp, and when you create that offer, you just send it to them. Pia, pia, pia. What do you think about my idea? Do you like my idea? Trust me, your friends will tell you, yes, this is a good idea. Yes, it's a nice idea. People are so good with telling you yes, it's a good idea, yes, it's a nice idea, until when you need them to pay for that product, until when you need them to bring out their money, you start hearing story. So what am I saying here? Your friends, your families are not the people you should be asking, what do you think about my idea? Look for the real people that have that problem that you are willing to solve, right? Take for instance, I have an offer. I want to help small business owners create videos, 10 videos for 30,000 naira. Now my target audience are small business owners, not my friends, not my families. So I need to talk to real people, the people that are faced with that problem. That should be the group of people you're talking to, and not everybody you have in your WhatsApp or your friends and family. Do you understand? That is step number one. Step number two, talk to real people. Yeah, you already get my point, right? Talk to the real people that have those problems, or that problem you're solving. Talk to your target audience. You can approach, or you can talk to them online, right? You can talk to about 10 of them. Now when you approach them, don't sell your idea or sell your offer immediately. No, you first of all ask them questions like, take for instance again, my own offer, I help small business owners create 10 videos, right, for 30,000 naira. Now if I approach a small business owner, this is how I will talk to them. So what are the challenges you're faced with when it comes to creating content for your business? What are the challenges you're faced with? Then I will listen. I'll go to the next person. What are the challenges you're faced with when it comes to creating content for your business? Again, they'll start pouring their heart to you, tell you their challenge. Now you listen. If about 5 to even 6, 7 of them mention the same thing, you see something that is repetitive, that is where your money is. And in most cases, you will hear, I struggle with creating videos. When I create videos, it's not clear, customers don't buy, customers just come into the DM and they're asking how much, they don't buy. I've gotten them right into the offer I have. Now when they go ahead and tell me their problem, then I can come in. I tell them, well, this is what I do. I can create 10 clear, attractive and captivating videos for your business. I can create up to 10 of them for you every month for 30,000 naira only. Now these videos, you can post them on your page. You can use these videos to run ad for your business. These are videos that will bring loads of eyeballs to your page, to your business. It will bring in traffic. This is how I pitch. You don't just go to them or in their DM and you tell them, oh, I can do this, I can do that. Interact. What are the challenges you're faced with? What are these? Do you get where I'm coming from? Now, once they pour out their heart, once they feel comfortable and they start telling you, then you listen. You will definitely see where your offer will fall into. Do you understand? You will definitely see where your offer will fall into. Then immediately you pitch to them. You tell them your offer. You lay it straight on the table. You would notice that some of them will immediately pick interest. Yes, because you're giving them solutions to their problems. Step number 3, I already explained a bit of it. Show them your offer. Once you talk to the real people, you show them your offer. Now, please don't go to them with begging and let me help you do this, let me do. No. When you start begging, they look at you as if you don't know what you're doing. I am saying this from experience now. When you start begging, you come as an authority, you come as a solution giver, if that makes sense. Do you understand? Tell them, I can do this for you. There's a way you speak to them, there's a way you write your stuff down. If you're talking to them online, they will see you as a professional. Tell them, I can do this, I can do that. If you have your portfolio, if you have people you've worked for before, you show them what you can actually do for their business. These are the type of videos I can create for you, and when I create this kind of video for you, you can use it to run ad. And when you run ad with this type of videos, trust me, there is no way customers will not buy. Now you tell them your offer. You're not begging, you're showing them facts. You're showing them what you bring to the table. You're showing them the benefits they are going to get. Not, please, let me do this for you. Try this. Don't tell them try. Your offer should be straight. You may start hearing, so how can I start? How do I pay? I'm interested. Or someone will tell you, oh, 30,000 naira is too expensive. That is still a positive sign. They are all showing interest. And step number 4, ask for the sale. If they start asking you, how can we get started? Please don't tell them until I launch. Hold on until you tell them, okay, you can start so time, depending on the type of product. For my own product, I can tell them, yes, you can make payment, and then I schedule when I can come start. Some would like to do part payment. When you complete the video, they pay you in full, depending on the agreement you guys reached. You know what is best for you. What am I saying here? Validate your offer, validate your idea, and you can see step. For those of you that will be like, only what I sell is actually physical product. For physical product, guys, you can join groups, right? You can post it. Let me tell you guys one thing I do. I import goods from China, right? And now most times I get a particular product I want to import in bulk, but I'm not sure if people are going to like that product, if people are going to buy that product. Do you know what I usually do? I will run ad. I don't have that product on ground, but I will run ad, like an engagement ad, which is usually very cheap for that product. I'll use like a video I got online, run ad for that product, say ad of like 3 days. Sometimes I spend 2,000 naira 3 days. I test this product. I want to see what the engagement will look like. I want to see how people would, respond to that product. Now, from that ad, I'll be able to tell if people are interested or not. Because I'll see people that will come to my DM and they'll be like, how much is the product? Is it available? How can I make payment? I'll say, okay. Sometimes when they're asking me, how can I make payment? Guys, I don't just snub them. I drop ship it immediately. I call my friend, do you have this? I call my neighbor, do you have this? Please, I need this. And then I stop the ad. I go ahead and import that product. That is how I validate physical product. The one I explained is for service-based product or digital products. Do you all understand? So that's how you can validate your idea or your offer. So that's basically the difference between guessing and building a real business. You don't guess when it comes to business. You don't do try your luck. You actually put things in place. If it doesn't work, you know you've done your part. Do you understand me? So tomorrow, guys, I'll be showing you all how to get your customers, because I know that's one thing you all have been asking. Only okay, how do we get buyers? I will show you practically tomorrow how to get at least your first customers, right? So I will see you tomorrow, day 19. I love you.